This is an AI image of myself and it is actually free. Anybody can do it. And one good thing is that you can actually make money with these AI images, and this is how you can do it. Blessed people, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ijoma Edwin and I want to say thank you for clicking this video. In my channel, what I do, I do talk about how to make money online. I do try it out, those ways I see on YouTube, and also talk about AI tips and tricks and so many more. So if that sounds interesting, please do support your girl by hitting the subscribe button. I want to say thank you to all who actually subscribed to my channel. I want to say thank you, Sanu, Eshe, Imela, Kumar. Thank you guys. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button. And please, you that is actually watching me, if you haven't subscribed, do your girl a favor by hitting that subscribe button. In today's video, guys, I'll be telling you guys how you can actually create AI images of yourself or of anybody of your choice. And I'll also show you how you can make money with these AI images. But note, creating of these AI images is super free and it's friendly. Like, it's not something that is hard. You can actually make for yourself AI images. Like, this is my own AI images. In fact, these are various AI images that I've actually created. And I also went further to use it for my personal self. I used it to do so many things for myself. I also did some for people, and I'll be telling you guys how you also cash out, because I also did it and I made money out of it, and I want to share with you guys how you can also make money out of it. The first step is you're going to know how to actually generate these AI images before you are able to monetize out of these AI images. So how can you actually generate these AI images of yourself for it to come out exactly how you look, right? So now, first things first that I want you to know is that if you want to generate a good AI image of yourself, you need to take nice selfie pictures. Nice selfie pictures of yourself is what you will be needing. You'll not be using pictures where you're standing this way or this way. You'll be needing selfie pictures of yourself. And when I mean selfie pictures that are very clear. They bring out all your features. So that is the first thing. You'll be needing selfie pictures of yourself. Now, how many selfie pictures will you be needing? You'll be needing 8 selfie pictures of yourself. 8 selfie pictures of yourself, either where you are smiling, where you're looking very cute. You'll be needing 8 selfie pictures of yourself. Take note. Now, how can you generate this? Ever since you have gotten these pictures, how can you actually generate these AI images of yourself? Now, for those who actually are using Android, you can quickly go to Play Store and download the app called Remini. This is what actually it looks like. This is the logo. This is how the app looks like on Play Store. It's also available for those who are actually using iPhones. Go to your Apple Store and get the app Remini there. So when you get your app Remini, you sign in with your email or your Google, and you are good to go. You don't have to pay anything. You don't really have to pay anything before you get these AI images of yourself. So I'll be showing you guys what you'll be doing step by step so that you all will be able to generate AI images of yourself. So let's go. So guys, this is the Remini app. Once you install it, this is how it's going to look like on the surface, and this is what you see at initials. So those 3 places you're seeing things like enhancer, you see enhancer, you see AI photos. You click on AI photos. These are aids that you're seeing. Once you click on AI photos, this is what is going to bring out for you. Generate your photos with AI. You click on let's do it. So once you click on that let's do it, it will bring you to the next step, which you'll be needing. So you select the gender. If you're a female, you go. If you're a male, you go. If you have any other gender you want to. So this is it. Once you click on any gender, you have to pick a model. We'll be needing a model that you want to look like, right? So you have all the whole time in the world to select which model of your choice. If you want to look like a kid, if you want to look like a cowgirl, if you want to look like someone in the 90s. So I selected someone in the 90s. I want to know how I'm going to look like assuming I was in the 90s. So when you're done selecting, they'll ask you to upload 8 selfie pictures of yourself. I've selected 8 random selfie pictures of myself, and all I just had to click on continue. So these are what they'll be bringing up for you. They are uploading your photos. For first times, it do take time. It do take time for, if you're a beginner, if it's your first time using this particular app, it will take time for your pictures to load. It will take up to 16 minutes, even 15 minutes for it to load, but after then it's gonna be simple. So guys, this is actually what my picture looks like. This is how I looks like if I'm gonna be in the 90s, and I won't lie, I'm looking very hot. I'm looking really hot. So if you click by the right hand side, it will automatically download to your phone. You can also change your model. As you can see, I clicked on change the model, and I want to select another model. I want to look like another person. I want to look very different. No, you can try so many ways, so many models of your choice. They are all the same. You can actually try it. They're very good, and I can assure you that you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it, guys. So this is me just randomly looking for a model that I want to look like. So this is me going looking for a model, a nice one. I don't want to look like a kid. No, no, no. I don't want to look like a Chinese. No, no. I don't know. No, I don't want to see myself in a white gown. No. But if you want, you can actually go for any of your choice. I think I'm gonna click on this one. I love this. I love this. So once you click on it, it's gonna take you like a few seconds, up to 80 seconds, for it to actually upload. So let's see, guys. Whoa, actually looks more good. Now look at this. No, this looks like me. This actually looks like me. Wow, I love this. Wow, this is crazy. This is so nice. So you see, this looks more like me. So once you're done with this, the photos are automatically on your gallery. The photos, you can download the photos and you see it automatically on your gallery, on your album, on your phone. So these are the AI images which you guys saw me create. Look at it on my gallery. So you don't. The second step is, how can you actually make money out of these AI images you have generated for yourself or for someone else? Is there a way you can actually make money with it? Yes. Now the first step is that you can actually make money by making AI images for other people. AI images for other people. You're offering them that service that you can actually generate for them AI images of themselves that will look very, very authentic. Yes. So now, using myself as an example, I generated a whole lot of AI images for people back then. I'm not gonna lie, and I made money out of it. Even though at that time it was small, it was still something because it saved me from a whole lot. Now, what am I saying? I generated AI images for people. One of those AI image picture you're seeing, I generated it for that person for 200 naira. Now, the 5 that I'm going to be sending to that person is 1,000 naira, and I generated it for more than 5 people. Calculate how much I made that day. So it was something. So you can actually make money with offering that service, that yes, you can actually generate AI image for them. And these AI images will look exactly like them. So you see, offering of service is the first way you can actually make money with the AI image you just created. Now, the second one is, you may be wondering, okay, how can you make money with this AI? How can you make money with this AI which you have created? Well, you can make money with it. I'm still going to show you how you can actually make money with it. So just stay tuned. So we have there's some people who want to have AI images of themselves on a t-shirt, on a polo, on a bag, on a phone case. You know, they just want to have their AI image on somewhere that can be seen. It can be on a, what's it called, a photo album. You know, it can be on a sticker, it can be on anything. Now, that is where you come in. They're going to come to you to actually want you to generate AI images for them. And you charge them for that. And if you are the kind of person that loves expanding his or her knowledge, you can actually collect money from them. Maybe if they want to have it on a t-shirt, you can actually charge them and tell them that, okay, yeah, you know how to do it. and look at how much it's gonna cost. They will bring it. Then it's your duty to take it to someone that knows how to do it. That person, you ask that person the actual price, and you add your own money to the person you're giving it to, and you're making profit out of it. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, and this is the example I want to give you. Now let's say that the person that actually knows how to print images on a t-shirt is charging you 5,000 naira, and someone out there wants to have his or her own AI images on a t-shirt. Now the person comes to you, because that is what you do, that is the service you're offering. Now comes to you and says, okay, I want to have an AI image of myself on a t-shirt. Can you do it for me? You'll be like, yes, I can do it for you, but I'll be charging you 10,000 naira to do that for you. I'll generate the image for you, and I'll also print it on a t-shirt for you. But the person will have to provide the t-shirt. That is just the truth. So if the person provides the t-shirt, or the person may give you money to buy a particular t-shirt, who knows? But if the person provides the t-shirt and you charge that person 10,000 naira, now you're going to meet the person who actually knows how to print, images on a t-shirt. You pay the person the 5,000, you have 5,000 naira to yourself. When the person is done, you send that goods to the person who actually needs it, and voila, you're making money out of it. So that is just how it works, guys. That way you can also make money out of it. I've done it. I'm not gonna lie, I've done it. And that is why I'm telling you guys that it worked, and it may also work for you. The third way which I feel like you can also do it is using it as a faceless YouTube video. Yep. Using it as a faceless YouTube video. Yep. So when you get that AI image of yourself, listen up. When you get that AI image of yourself, you can use it to make faceless YouTube videos about anything of your choice. If you really don't want to show your face, but you want to have your image to be displaying like these ones you're seeing here, like these ones. These are AI images that they just selected that will represent them in their channel. So you can use that one to represent you. You may be wondering, but how can I make that picture to actually talk? Well, it is very simple. All you just have to do is go to your Google, search for what we call talking mouth. This is what talking mouth looks like when you search it. Search for talking mouth, download that particular video, any video you know suits your AI image mouth, download it very well. When you're done downloading it, go over to CapCut. When you go over to CapCut, that particular AI image which you have generated, go to CapCut and edit it.